No, Mr. Morgan now left me out there. I put my name out there now. Have to get I'm popular man.
Alright, stand by. Identify yourself, please.
Omar Oxilly, coach of the Carteret College.
Alright, I just wanted to react to this as well.
Well, I think it was a good performance by our guys. I think they gave a good account of themselves in areas. The score, I think it was a bit daunting on our guys today, but I believe that this is in room for growth. It's the first of a 4-year program. This is the first year of that program, and I believe that as the seasons continue, then we will be in the ranks upper. Trust me, going up in the ranks.
Do you think your team was intimidated by the sheer quality of the CC team?
I wouldn't want to say that we were intimidated. I believe that we were outplayed. There were patches where we were trying to put the ball on the ground, we were knocking the ball around. But I believe that the quality and the depth that this Clarendon College team had just surpassed our quality today. But I don't say, well tried the Carteret College, we give a counter for ourselves, but it wasn't good enough today.
Look forward to the rest of it.
Thank you very much.
Look forward to the rest of it.
Okay, going forward, we're just looking forward to building on what we have already. We have already laid a foundation, and I believe that we can build on that foundation going forward for the future. Thank you very much.